In this lesson, we're going to talk about the cloud. The internet allows us to have cloud services. What that means is we can have files stored on the internet. We can be using applications from the internet. These are provided by a third party company, and we access these remotely. So these files are not stored on our computer, and the applications are also not stored on our computer. And the internet obviously facilitates this. So the cloud allows remote access of storage and applications. Now, one of the biggest benefits of this is we can access our files and applications, our cloud-based files and applications, from whatever device we have, as long as it's connected to the internet. And working remotely from school at the moment, we're able to go into our school emails, our school presentation files, our school word process files. They're all available to us within, as long as we have an internet connection. So we've got access to files, applications from anywhere, as long as we have a device that can connect to the internet. Also, it means that a third-party company, so the company or companies providing these cloud services, they're responsible for buying the servers and maintaining the servers, doing the backups, installing software, keeping software up to date. All that is managed by a third party. So lots of positives there for cloud computing. Let's think about the disadvantages then. Well, if we can access our files from almost anywhere, if we don't have an internet connection, or if our internet connection goes down, we don't have access to our files and applications. So that's a big disadvantage. Well, it could be a big disadvantage. So can not access cloud services if we don't have access to the internet. Another big disadvantage, or potentially a big disadvantage, is When we're allowing a third party to do so much for us, we're putting a lot of trust in them, and we're putting a lot of trust in them managing the security and taking care of the sensitivity of our data. So we're trusting a third party with our data. Of course, there's also a small cost. We can get access to cloud services for free, but usually when we start to use a certain amount of storage, there will be a monthly cost. So there is a cost involved. Typically, the savings from not having to look after our hardware and our applications and so on, the savings there in hardware and expertise, manpower, would be far more than the cost we have of accessing the cloud services. And basically, that's just everything to say at GCSE about the cloud.